buddy.
You're like a legend.
Be a legend.
More like let it settle like a legend.
Oh, if you can let it settle like a legend and press the trigger like a legend, you
Is the firing line ready? The firing line is ready. Your time will begin, and you may fire when your targets appear.
When you shoot your last shot, you stand there, wait till after she shoots. All right, Dwight, target 8-5.
absolutely.
Scott shows next.
I'll just
That started at a 10-2 and ended at like a 9-7.
it was like X at 7 down the middle. Like mid-range X at 7. Good call.
Right, let's see.
Beautiful call, man.
Just on the line, 10 at 3 o'clock. Oh, jump 10
on the line at 7. I think I was going to say that. I think
just on the line.
I mean, you split the way side of the line. Nice call, bro.
Right to push.
Money.
Okay, hitting 10, 9 o'clock.
10 at 7. 10 at 7.
Talk it over, man. I didn't have to call it rolling off, but I just not remember that bad. Settled quick. I took it. Exit of 11.
Yeah, you're like exit 7. So you're like that far off the car.
Hey, 10 on the line. It's going to be an exit 6.
I think that's a pretty good call. I saw it disappear into the exit. Yeah. Nice. Yep. just.
Trigger just would not go off.
That was a nice tent, man. I mean, dude, nice tent, man.
12-4 mark. Mark 8-5. 4. Mark 8. Elevation looks good. Good ring 10. 10 o'clock.
We might get lucky with that shot. It might be an X. It's just off the line. All out.
What's that? Still got all our toes.